arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome everyone. This is your guide to the fascinating world of alternative dispute resolution, and today we will be focusing on consumer arbitration rules. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Now, you might be asking, what exactly are consumer arbitration rules? They are a set of guidelines that govern how disputes between consumers and businesses are resolved outside of court. Yes, you heard that right. No going to court. Now, what does arbitration bring to the table? Speed, affordability, and flexibility are the three major advantages. With arbitration, there is no need to wait for a court date, which can sometimes take months or even years. Plus, in many cases, arbitration can be significantly less expensive than traditional litigation. According to a recent study, arbitration resolves disputes between 20 to 25% faster than litigation. That's quite a considerable time saving, right? But let's dig deeper. What is the essence of consumer arbitration rules? Well, they create a framework that is fair, transparent, and allows for all parties involved to have their say. This way, a neutral third party, known as the arbitrator, can make an informed decision based on the facts presented. Consumer arbitration rules typically include guidelines about the arbitration process, like how an arbitrator is selected, how evidence is submitted, and how the final decision is reached. One important thing to note is that the decision reached by the arbitrator is usually final and binding. That means it's enforceable in the same way a court judgment would be. Here's another interesting fact. According to a 2019 study conducted by the University of Michigan, around 60% of the consumer business contracts in the United States include arbitration clauses. That's a lot of faith in the process, don't you think? If you want to learn more information about consumer arbitration rules, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the concept of consumer arbitration rules? Is there anything else you'd like to learn? Drop a comment and let us know. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.